This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, February 1st. Stock index futures yesterday coming under some pressure. This after the Federal Open Market Committee at its policy meeting yesterday indicated that it may be slow to lower its Fed funds rate this year. We had Fed Chair Powell saying that it will be appropriate to start cutting interest rates at some point later this year, although he did not think a March cut is likely. They did keep the Fed funds rate unchanged as expected at 5.25 to 5.5. Also, as far as economic reports, we had U.S.-based employers announcing plans to cut just over 82,000 jobs in January. That's the most in 10 months. Also, we had jobless claims coming in higher than expected at 224,000 when 214,000 were expected. And in the currency markets, seeing the dollar index trading higher, being supported by the Fed comments yesterday and the statement. The dollar index remaining in a 13-day congestion pattern. And I would not be surprised to see ultimately that we do break out to the upside in the dollar index. Also, we have the Bank of England at its policy meeting today holding rates unchanged as expected at the 5.25% level. The Bank of England also indicated that it will be lowering borrowing costs later this year, but probably not as soon as some analysts had anticipated. Also, in the interest rate futures market, seeing prices mostly higher, especially at the long end of the curve. So it still looks like a March rate cut is off the board right now as far as probabilities. However, it still appears that at the May 1st meeting that the Fed will probably be cutting by 25 basis points at that meeting. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.